Ever feel your heart racing or your mind spinning? Here's a powerful trick. Mindful breathing. Try this. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4, exhale for 4, and pause for 4. Repeat this cycle 4 times. This technique, often called box breathing, helps regulate your nervous system and brings your focus away from stress. You can do it anywhere, at your desk, in the car, or before bed. Just a few minutes can help clear your head and ease tension. Give it a shot whenever you need a reset. Your mind and body will thank you.